So I'm the type of guy that needs to have some kind of sound, some kind of ambient noise in the background when I sleep, whether it be a fan. I've used a fan for years. I still do use a fan, but I've recently discovered this white noise machine. Many different sounds, everything from thunderstorms to the ocean current, birds, the rainforest. It does so much, and it's so simple to use. It's also Bluetooth, so you can technically hook your phone up to this unit itself and listen to music should you choose. There are a few songs built into this already, but the whole reason for this is just to get that restful REM sleep, that soothing. You can see here, basically you're outside at night. There's a stream going by. Just such a really nice unit. Easy to use. It has multiple different sounds, 15 pre-programmed. You can augment them however you like, but that would be a fire. Sounds like a campfire. But it helps me to sleep. I like the sound of a thunderstorm at night, just off in the distance, like this here, just to help you relax. So if you're into white noise or needing something, just a little bit of noise in the background to help you sleep, check out one of these. USB charging. You can see I have it plugged into my lamp here. And once it's charged, it's hours and hours. So big time thumbs up from this guy. Check one of these out today.